The academy gave me the confidence of selling and closing in the house. We have a lovely job which was about £55,000, but we made £20,000 on it. So it was a really good profit margin. My name is Eli Stan, and my business is called Green Revolution Nationwide Limited, and I'm a co-director on this business, and I have my partner Jonathan Julian with me. So we do air source heat pump, and we do solar panels and battery storage. We have a business focus on the renewable energy. We want to make a change in this world. We want to live in a better planet. And I had a lovely conversation with Paul about focusing my focus and where should I direct my focus and my energy. And we looked at the positive and negative and realized the electrical business, it's very cash negative. So we have to outlay a lot of money up front and wait for the payments months, because we do a lot of B2B rather than B2C. And looking at the model of solar panels, it's all cash positive because you can charge up to 60% of the job before you even start. So this is why it made me change my mind and change focus on my focus. I see the growth trajectory of the business. It made me see the business clearer and understand it's just a numbers game. I had a great month. We completed about 3 jobs. We have 2 new appointments just this week. It's doing a lovely house, and it's £110,000 in sales. For air source heat pumps, we go for air conditioning, we go for mechanical ventilation with heat recovery, battery storage, solar panels. So it'll be a beautiful house. The academy gave me the confidence of selling and closing in the house. Usually, if I come into your house and survey it and you ask me how much will it be, usually I hide away and I'm like, yeah, don't worry, I need to work it out. I know the price. As soon as I walk in, I know how much I'm going to charge from that client. I'm like, I'm going to send a formal quotation. I can't, I need to get some different numbers. But now I've seen a client, yeah, it'll be 13.5. This is how much is a Tesla battery. This is how much are the panels. This is how much is the labor. Really big stumble for me. I was afraid of telling people on the spot how much it is, just because maybe I was afraid of no, or maybe just, seems like a lot of money to me. And sometimes if it's expensive to you, then it's expensive to the client. It's all about mentality and how you feel things. We have a lovely job, which was about £55,000, but we made £20,000 on it. So it was a really good profit margin. If you're an electrician and you want to get off the tools, you want to change your life, and you're really serious about it, come to Discovery Day. It's free of charge, you get a free meal, but you learn the insights of the trade, and you can add more things to your toolbox. And you have a toolbox with loads of tools and other options to offer to your clients. It's free of charge. At the end of the day, it's nothing to lose. Just make that time, and you can be here and you can be next to me.